Alright guys, so I don't know how good the lighting conditions are going to be, but you'll notice that I got my voice relatively quiet. It's probably for no reason at all, but I'm trying to make as little noise as possible. Tune in a little bit to what's going on out here on this little lake. It's not a very big lake, it's big, but I'm just tuning in to just any surface activity that's been going on. I was up the other end of the lake before in the wind, where most of the oxygenated water's getting pushed to, not having a lot of luck. But as I'm coming up the quiet end of the lake, I have heard one or two boofs on the surface. Typical, like a barra pop on the surface. So we'll see what happens. But so there's a big barra sitting out in front of me. Let's see if he eats this. Oh. Yep. Holy shit, man. Oh, Jesus. Holy demon. This thing is huge, man. This thing is huge. Holy demon. Oh, holy shit, man. Oh, holy. Oh, I'm shaking, man. I am shaking. Snap the rod tip. Oh, holy mother of pearl. Can you do me a favour? Can you quickly, I know you're probably going to hate it, but even if you have to drive down somehow around the lake, can you come take photos and video for me?
Alright, coming.
I got like a almost metre barra here. Bring a tape measure.
Alright, I'm on it.
Alright, cheers. I'll see you in a bit.
Bye. What do you got there, Josh?
I can't even remember the name of this lake, but it's out at Richmond, so a good couple of 100 k's from the ocean, or probably any river that has these things. And I have just caught a freaking dinosaur barramundi. This thing is huge.
Holy, that's a fish. That's gotta be the fish. This is Josh's PB Barra.
Oh man, that is an absolute stonker. Lost for words. It was a bit slow, like I said, and tried to come up this end of the pond, and oh man, I cannot believe I got this. It was just sitting there in the shallows, like on the surface, just woofing tiny little bait. And you can see it's got that little tiny RT shad just in the corner of its mouth. I burned it back and just over the top of it, and oh man, it went off. And I had to ring the old man to come down so he could share the moment. But this is huge, man. Huge. It's like it's probably like a 20-pound fish. It's heavy.
Look at the condition on it, eh? Look at the flipping head on it. Hang on, I'm trying a big shadow on the head. Look at the head on that. Oh, look at the head on that. That's terrible.
Holy dooly. Right, let's get a couple of stills and a measure.
Okay.
Alright, we'll take some photos. Alright, quick measure. It's 116, 117.
Holy shit, that big.
1.17 m, and you can't even see its tag anymore.
Where is this tag?
See that damage bit?
Oh, yeah.
Or can you feel the tag on the other side anyway?
No.
No. So that's
a little scar there.
1.17 m. It's swallowed the tag inside its skin.
Man, that's big.
I'll go back over the rocks and we're done.
We're good. Biting down, or oh yeah, it's starting to roll around. Yep, that's good.
Goes back out to the deep, or there he goes.
I see the bait scatter on its way. That is awesome.
Oh man, I snapped my rod doing it too. Worth it. It's just a Barramundi.
Where's the rod?
Over here. I'm so glad I got that on video. That's alright. It was through the weed and I was just too keen to get it to the bank. It had the best hook set. Holy dooly. That's pretty cool. That's pretty epic. Especially like, I don't know if you guys know where Richmond is, but it's past Hewenden by about an hour and you're on the way to Julia Creek. So like there's nothing out here. There's this little recreational pond. I mean, I say little, it's pretty decent. And for there to be a fish like that in here is just, that's insane. That's pretty cool. That's something I won't forget. Oh, but it's literally just like down on the edge of the light line. Like, see how you can see the weed? I could see its shadow sitting out in the water. And I'm like, oh, let's have a couple of casts, see if I can get it. The first cast, not zip. The second cast, like, I was like, just starting to sink down, so I had to quicken it up, burn it across the surface a bit, and it just poof, sucked it in, did a couple of thrashes. Oh, that's so sick. Oh, that was good. That was good. Oh, kudos to the old man for running down here. He was already laying in bed. We're literally,
I didn't even have any shorts on.
We're literally just staying over the other side there in the caravan park. So that is cool.